Can you use other web servers in your Docker files? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Back4App, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today we'll be answering Francesco's question. Francesco asked, can I use Nginx instead of serve? Hi Francesco, thank you so much for your question, and yes, you can. You can use practically any web server application that you want. I've been using serve because it's very common to be used in JavaScript stacks, which is most of the videos of this week here on the channel. But if you look through the videos of the channel, you will also see that I use HTTPD and Nginx as other examples. So use whatever you feel more comfortable with, but you got to remember that serve is much more limited and also at the same time much lighter than the other ones. So you got to choose wisely on which one that you really need. If you need it to be light and have less features, or if you want a more featured while more heavy web server to run your app. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.